The fact that Noisia can make something seem so out of time yet be perfectly in time is an absolutely bonkers concept to me. For example, take one of their tracks, Get Deaded. And then pull it into Ableton, then do some chops around the specific basses, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like, there's a certain unease glitchiness to it, which sounds amazing, and it kind of sounds out of time. But have a look at the grid, it is still perfectly in time. So these chops, they're perfectly aligned with points at the grid, but it's not conforming to 16ths, perfectly repeating 8ths, also perfectly repeating triplets, slightly funkier but also repeating, then Noisia's own on the grid, off the grid, whatever. It's so weirdly disjointed yet somehow in time. I just don't get it. Like, it loops and it still works. It's just like, what? So I took this theory of Noisia's kind of on the grid wonkiness, built my own drop around it, made sure I wasn't conforming to 16ths, 8ths or triplets, but I was yet somehow still locked into the grid. So if we can see the Noisia pattern here, I made my own one that was still, look, you can see it's matching on the grid. It's very disjointed, but I mean, when you stretch it out with bass, it starts to feel like it could work then. So then you slam it with some drums. And somehow it works. Or you might be thinking, yo, this is shit, Sam, what are you doing? Are you branching into like 30 seconds at that point, and so that's kind of how it's working? Oh, I don't know. If someone wants to explain it to me in some music theory sense, I'm all ears.